going to do the sounds. Remember, we say the picture first, then the sound. Ready? Apple, a. Cat, k. Lion, o. Fox, x. Tent, t. Fish, f. Zebra, z. Inch, I. Elephant, e. Balloon, b. Sun, s. Umbrella, a. Monkey, m. Hat, h. Rabbit, Kite, k. Octopus, a. Nest, n. Goat, g. Yarn, y. Pig, p. Vest, v. Dog, d. Jar, j. Wagon, woo. Overalls, o. Unicorn, u. Icicle, I. Equal, e. Acorn, a. Acorn, a. Dime, I. Cube, u. Concrete, e. Hose, o. Cake, a. Yeah. Cake, a. Quilt, ku. Duck, k. Shark, sh. Feather, v. And this has the line through it. This is the voiced v, because when we feel our throat when we say it, it vibrates. So that's the voiced sound of th. Feather, v. Thimble, f. Hook, has a breve over it, so it's the short digraph oo sound. So it's hook, Tooth, oo. It has a macron, so this is the long sound. Cheese, ch. Sheep, e. The last e is crossed out because we don't need to say e. We just say it one time. E. Good job, we made it.